time. Sorry we're a little bit later because we had some company in town that was fantastic. So I'm excited to show you guys a fall recipe soup, which is a pumpkin soup. Thanks to one of my very best friends that came up with this recipe, Ashley Crop. Told you I'd give you a shout out. I was so excited to make this recipe, and it's so good if you make for the whole family. Even people that don't really love pumpkin, the cauliflower that's added in it makes it really, really good and kind of wash out some of that pumpkin taste, but still make it really good. You can freeze it for later, and the whole family will love it. So, happy Halloween! Yay! I love this time of year because I love anything where you can dress up in theme parties. So, I've been really excited for this weekend because I can dress up. Yay! Okay. Alright guys, so first thing we're going to do, my lovely husband should join in just a little bit. So this is a pumpkin cauliflower soup.
I brought a cat.
I did chicken.
I brought a cat.
Okay, I like the chef hat.
Yeah, I'm a Rocky Balboa chef, bitches.
Oh my god. Sorry for the language. Alright, so first thing we're going to do, okay, let's go back. So it's a pumpkin cauliflower soup. So good.
Chicken, pork, or steak?
No, we're not doing it. It's vegan.
I'm not eating this.
Yes. No, we have chicken on the side, and we'll put it in there when it's done. But it is vegan. I don't really believe in vegan because here's what happens with people that are vegan. No offense to anyone that's vegan. No offense to anyone that's vegan. I've tried vegan before. I've tried everything. I've tried every single diet my entire life. But here's the thing with vegan is what happens is there's no chicken. You don't really know what to go to. So here's what I always went to is tortilla and cheese. College diet. And it was amazing.
Or you could do keto and just eat a bunch of bacon and chicken thighs.
That is a whole nother subject for another
day.
Okay,
let's go. Let's do it.
Alright, so here you go. Half a tablespoon of olive oil, okay? So throw that in the skillet.
That's not how you measure, but I dig it.
Olive oil, you want the darkest type of bottle that you can find. That's a great way. Make sure it's extra virgin olive oil. Because it means it's pressed even more for the good monounsaturated fats. Then you're going to put in a whole onion, minced. Oh, y'all. I want to show you this. My mom got me this Vidalia chopper. Watch this. It's going to be loud.
No, it's not on there right. Hold on.
I am obsessed. If anybody doesn't like to chop things,
onion, chopper.
Watch. Cover your ears. Are you serious right now? Look at this. It's like the most perfect cubes. I couldn't even draw that.
I can't draw a stick figure, so I definitely couldn't draw that.
Exactly. Okay. Anyway, I think that's really cool. Get a chopper. I don't really like gimmicks. We don't do those. So put one onion in.
And you're going to cook these medium to medium-high heat until they go opaque. And
Which means?
Which means just kind of transparent, kind of, nice and see-through.
Yeah. So that'll go for about 5 to 10 minutes, okay? We've already made some, so I'll show you that in a minute. There we go. Boom. Then, once that's opaque, just go clean the house, do the dishes, wash stuff, and then
this is every day. That is every day.
Teaspoon of ginger, so good for your stomach and digestive tract.
Keep in mind, you can use fresh ginger. She just doesn't.
Lazy cook, chef. Okay?
I don't even like that little contraption thing she showed. It's cool for being really quick, but I like to cut my vegetables up.
Lazy. And y'all got kids, you got husbands, you got work. Then, tablespoon of garlic.
Okay, so that's not enough garlic. You want to quadruple that.
Good for your heart health. Okay, so stir that around. Okay, so you already did the onions for 10 minutes. Then you put the ginger and the garlic in and you let it go for 1 minute. Okay, same thing. Wash dishes. Say hi, hey babe. How was your day? Oh my gosh, so excited to see you. Oh my gosh, it's been a minute. Done. Okay, then 4 cups. Okay, y'all are good there. 4 cups of chicken stock. Or, for my vegans and vegetarians, you can do vegetable stock. Okay? We do chicken. Put that in there. Then a whole cup of
cauliflower.
Cauliflower. So good for you. low in carbohydrates. Throw that in there.
Oh, speaking of, I just found out, we went and hung out with some of Danielle's friends the other day, and they have cauliflower that comes in, what is it? Frozen in packages.
Amazing.
I didn't understand it, but then when I thought about people that have kids and how easy that is to just take it out and not have to chop it up. And then we bought some the other day because Target is the closest grocery store to our house, and we got some. We use it for cauliflower rice, and it's easy, easy, easy. So
easy.
Just know that if you don't want to get super fat because you eat a bunch of carbs, then you can just get the cauliflower bag, throw it in the food processor, throw it in the pan, bingo, bango, done.
Bingo, bango, tango, spango. And that's a shout out to Savannah and Brady Hill.
True that.
When we were at their house and they grabbed frozen cauliflower. We were like, what?
True that.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Changed our lives.
Next.
Then a can of pumpkin.
You can also do this fresh. Right? You can take a pumpkin and chop it up and then bake it and all that kind of stuff, which is how I would prefer to do it. But for time's sake, being it's 9 o'clock at night, y'all ain't getting no fresh pumpkin.
Y'all ain't getting no fresh pumpkin.
Tonight.
Y'all ain't getting no fresh pumpkin. Okay.
Tonight.
Then go ahead and cover that. So boil it on high. Cover it. And so boil it on high and then reduce it to like low heat.
Simmer.
For 20 to 30 minutes, okay?
What's this do?
We're going to do that in a minute. So, after you've done that, 20 to 30 minutes, we're going to show you we've already made some. Go ahead and pull that over, okay?
Okay. Bingo.
Bingo.
Oh, she didn't plan for this. This is about to make a hell of a mess.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
No,
I did plan.
About to wreck
I did
this
plan
kitchen.
for it. So now it's been boiling for 20 to 30 minutes, right? This looks amazing,
what's
y'all.
What's your plan here?
Just hold on.
No.
Y'all can't see this, but
No,
it looks good.
What's your plan here?
Watch.
How are you going to get...
Teaspoon of salt.
She's about to wreck this kitchen. I'm not cleaning this.
Okay, that was a teaspoon of salt. Teaspoon of maple syrup. We use sugar-free maple syrup.
Because she's got a hilarious sense of humor and she's kind of the devil. You can use sugar to maple syrup, you won't die.
Coconut milk. A half of a cup. Okay, y'all, let me tell you how good coconut milk is for you.
Like pina colada.
Yeah?
Yeah.
This has medium, so there's a lot of different
like a 45
research studies on coconut fat because it has medium chain triglycerides. That's really good for you because it actually heats your body quicker, so there's thermogenesis, so it's breaking down fat faster. As long as you are on the right nutrition plan and you're not doing like all these medium chain triglycerides and these high fats with high carbohydrates.
This makes you lose weight?
It can, yes. If you do it in the right form with the right nutrition plan, oh my God, absolutely. Coconut milk, coconut oil, so good for you.
That's Danielle Carr, dietitian, giving you permission to drink pina coladas to lose weight. That's what I just heard.
I used to drink pina coladas.
Dietitian says, get drunk and get fit.
No, I do not.
She said it here, folks.
No, because you put alcohol in it. Okay,
she
I'm not. It's
said,
a whole nother story.
Get pina coladas and lose weight.
Okay, y'all. Chris
Okay,
is right. This is going to be bad. I have a funnel.
No, let's see. No, go ahead. I want to see this.
Okay, so you mix that up. Now we're about to blend it up into a soup. So any of you guys watching and you're like, oh my God, they're so annoying. Just get to the point. It's about to happen. Okay? Because all we're going to do is throw this in here and mix it. Now, I have two incredible clients, Jasmine and Josh. Pather, thank you so much. Pather, I always forget. They got us a Vitamix and we're really excited about it. And so normally we would do that. But we're going to do an immersion blender just because I know some people don't have a Vitamix. Okay, this is Chris. Boom!
She almost cut her finger off earlier, people.
I did.
She almost cut her finger off. That is a true story. This episode of whatever this is called is brought to you by whichever one of our friends is doctors and will give her stitches.
Dr. Eva. Put a lot of shout outs here in this thing. Okay, here we go. So remember guys, this is low in carbohydrate. So good for you because pumpkin has vitamin A, which is really good for your skin, your eye health. Vitamin C, great for your immune system. It has tons of antioxidants in it.
No.
So there's tons of antioxidants in it. So this whole soup is only, if you do a cup of it, it's 100 calories.
Who only eats a cup of soup?
You don't only eat a cup of soup?
What, are you talking to a bunch of 6-year-olds?
Look at this. Look how good this is. Y'all, look how fast that is. Tell me you can't do meal prep. Ain't that right? For our sides, we're going to have a side of mushrooms and a side of salad with our favorite sweet mustard dressing. You can look at our
if this is
YouTube.
good or not.
Look.
More salt, more pepper.
Obviously, everybody knew it. Look how cool that is.
More
Not
salt, more pepper. But apart from that, really good.
Okay. Y'all remember, if he says it's good, that means it's good. I'm serious.
I won't lie
That's
to
why
y'all.
he's here.
I won't lie to
Because
y'all.
I am the most boring, laziest cook ever.
It's true.
Ever. I grew up
It's
on
awful.
chicken with salt and pepper. Thanks, Mom.
I'm married to that. Just no cares.
Our marriage issues are that of like chef and then me being one to be really boring.
Okay.
So anyway, so we mix it up for y'all to make this easy. Meal prep's easy. We've got a side of mushrooms, so this is what we're gonna freeze for later. That's why it's really nice with the meal prep video. I've got this for us for meal prep, and then I have a whole other one on the side that will freeze. So again, really good for gosh, so cute. Low carb, great for calories. What else am I saying? Lauric acid, really good for you as well.
Okay.
Oh, she's hot.
She
You
doesn't
okay?
like it. It's not that hot.
Okay, good girl. All right, guys, we love you. Thank you so much for watching. Remember,
Oh, she likes it.
tune into the Fit Girl and the Fat Boy. That is our YouTube channel. We've got more videos coming out. We'll have the recipe on there soon, and I'll post that. This is just for you guys. We like to have fun and be able to show you how we meal prep for the week and make it easy. Happy Halloween! Okay, really quick, stay tuned.
Kyle Lawrence said, so are you making pumpkin pina coladas? Yes. Yeah, we're going to try that.
Ew, that would be really gross.
We're going to try that.
If y'all are getting Halloween candy for the kiddos coming, my best tip for that is get the stuff that you don't like and that you won't eat. Why would you get the stuff that you'll eat and you'll be tempted by? And then, if there is some left over, y'all seriously just throw it away. It's either going to go in your stomach
Don't do that. Eat it. Eat
or
it.
it's going to go in the trash.
Don't listen to
It
her.
is the exact same thing,
Eat
I'll be
it.
honest. Okay? Love you guys. Have a great week. Make it a healthy week.
Yes, Bethany. She will post the recipe.
Oh, is that Bethany Bully?
Yes.
Oh, hi, Bethany.